Hey everyone, you have a magic money tree that grows a little bit every time you buy coffee. Wouldn't that be amazing? Well, with Acorns, you can make something pretty close to that happen. Hook. But before we dive into the specifics, let's ask ourselves a question. How much does it actually cost to start this magical money tree? Context. You might have heard about Acorns, the popular investment app that lets you invest spare change. It's like having a tiny financial advisor helping you grow your money, but without the fancy suits and high fees. So, let's break down the costs involved in opening an Acorns account and see if it's worth the investment. Main content. 1. The basic plan. The most straightforward way to start with Acorns is the basic plan. This plan is completely free to sign up for. Yes, you heard that right, $0. So, what do you get for free? Well, you can round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.25, Acorns will round it up to $4 and invest the extra 75 cents. It's a simple but effective way to start saving and investing without even noticing it. 2. The personal plan. If you want to take your investing to the next level, Acorns offers the personal plan for a small monthly fee. This fee varies depending on your account balance, but it's typically around $3 per month. Asterisk with the personal plan, you get access to additional features like Asterisk portfolio management. Acorns will help you build and manage a diversified portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. Asterisk investment advice. You'll have access to personalized investment advice from Acorns' team of financial experts. Asterisk tax loss harvesting. Acorns can help you minimize your tax bill by harvesting losses in your portfolio. 3. The family plan. For those who want to invest for their family, Acorns offers the family plan. This plan starts at $5 per month and allows you to create separate accounts for your spouse, children, and other family members. With the family plan, you can easily monitor and manage your family's investments from one central dashboard. 4. Additional fees. While the basic plans are relatively inexpensive, it's important to be aware of a few additional fees that may apply. Asterisk early withdrawal fees. Asterisk if you withdraw your money before a certain period, you may be subject to early withdrawal fees. Asterisk investment fees. Asterisk while Acorns doesn't charge a management fee, your investments will be subject to the underlying fees of the funds you choose. 5. Is Acorns worth it? So, is Acorns worth the cost? The answer depends on your individual circumstances and financial goals. If you're looking for a simple and affordable way to start investing, the basic plan is a great option. For those who want more personalized advice and features, the personal or family plan may be worth the additional cost. Ultimately, the best way to decide if Acorns is right for you is to weigh the benefits against the costs and see if it aligns with your financial goals. Conclusion. So, to answer the question we posed at the beginning, how much does it cost to open an Acorns account? The answer is, it depends. With plans ranging from free to a few dollars per month, Acorns offers a variety of options to suit different budgets and needs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.